When you are a self-employed or an employee under a service contract in Portugal, you need to issue a green receipt to comply with Portuguese government regulations. To issue a green receipt in Portugal, follow these steps. Register as a self-employed worker with Finances Portal. This registration can be done online at the Finance Portal or in person at the Finance Office. The NIF number is necessary to issue invoices and receipts. Go to the Finance Portal and log in with your NIF number and password. When you make your NIF number, a letter with the password is sent to your home. In the Service area, select Emitir Recibo Verde Eletrônico, Issue Electronic Green Receipt. Find out the form with information about the service provided, the amount to be received, and the client's data. Click on Emitir Recibo Verde and the document will be generated. You can download the document and send it to the client's email by yourself. At the end of the fiscal year, you will have to do the IRS declaration to declare your income and pay the tax due. Remember to keep a good organization of the invoices and the receipts issued to facilitate the tax declaration process at the end of the fiscal year.